Yeah, well, welcome back to the farm. We're going to do a little bush hogging today down at the garden. First, I've already filled up the TYM. First thing we got to do is get this feed unloaded and take it down to the barn and get in the barrels, and then we'll go. Hopefully, we got enough daylight. We'll go do a little bush hogging. So let's get this loaded up. This right here is a little pig. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You're a little pig. He likes to come over and eat. He's like a little pig, P-I-G. Look at him. That's Boots over here. Right there's Boots. And that's Dash. And that over there's the little pig is, I think they call him Pip. Pip the pig. She used to come over and says hey to me, but she's been over today. Phoebe, come here. Phoebe, come here. Phoebe, come here. All right, that's enough cuteness for today. Let's see if we can find something to do. All right, so we got I caught the rest of them chickens up there. It was in that Salatin style tractor, and it's quite the ordeal for a fat man like me to get in there. Had to get in there and get them, so we should have filmed that. It would have probably been funny, but we're gonna put them in here with this bunch. And of course, if you remember, I already got 2 in there. That's kin to them right there. They are, matter of fact. And I'm gonna put 4 more in there. That's gonna pretty much max this tractor out as far as chickens in there. But I'm gonna throw a little feed in there and get them away from the door. And I got 1 olive egger, 2 Americanas, and a brown sex link. This right here is the brown sex link. This is Americana here. Now wait a second, I think I got 2 brown sex link, and olive egger and this Americana. Sorry. This is an olive egger. Olive egger, I think. Yeah, this is a brown sex link here. So, and these things are big enough, they should start laying. You can look at their comb. Got bright eyes. This is a healthy chicken right here.
See something you might need to fix. Looks like it's pulled loose down there, Mark. Like something pulled it. I'm gonna fix that. See how it's pulled loose. They could either get out or something can get in there to get them. Are you out of nails?
Yeah, I'm out. I'll keep it out. I'll run up to the house and get some. But this is a nice little tool right here. All right. That's pretty much uneventful. They've started laying really good, and I think that other olive egger that I had started laying because we've been getting some green eggs, some real green eggs. And so I don't see no fighting going on.
They just joined right in, didn't they?
Yeah, I think this is pretty much max I'm gonna put in here as far as chickens go. So this one's full. I think the other one's pretty much full too. I'm gonna take a couple out of that and put with Jerry up there. Little Jerry Seinfeld. All right, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna do a little bush hogging back here in the garden. Let's go get the tractor warmed up. All right, we got our bush hog. This is the north garden, and I still got a little bit over there to do. I used to have a bee yard. I'm gonna get rid of that, and some old blackberries that didn't die. I mean, that didn't live, they did die. So I've got some trellises over there. I gotta cut that down. So I'll get that maybe in a different video. But my main thing is I want to get this garden done, because where the tractor's sitting now, I'm gonna put my potatoes there. And then right here is going to be cantaloupe, and the rest of it's going to be watermelon. So this is going to be the melon side. And then on the other side, the garlic, we'll go up there and look at it in a second. It's going to be corn, sweet corn, and then kind of up on that little hill where I've been cutting them trees. Something else I got to finish up. I ought to do that today. We're going to put pumpkins up there. So we got a lot of work to do. But in case you didn't know, I'm retiring. April 17th will be my last day at work, so I won't get this down here where I can take my lawnmower and mow around them peach trees. I got a couple peach trees there, a couple plum trees, and a chestnut, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and peach trees got little buds on them, so they're doing good. I would like to get several more. We didn't plant any up there, did we? I would like to get several more peach trees and find out a good variety to have here. The problem is they bloom out and then we get a big frost and it kills them all. So if I get a late bloomer or something, get several of them, and they'd sell really good. Really good. They sell really good at the farmer's market. Anyway, I'm putting my potatoes there, and this all be melons here. Seedless, regular, and then cantaloupe. Got 3 different kinds of cantaloupe. Let's ease over there and look at the garlic. That's our first crop of the year. That noise you hear, there's a big dairy right over there, right across the tracks there, and they're pumping their manure pollen out. They pump it out and put it on their fields for the corn, I guess, or whatever they grow. So that's that noise, and they'll go around the clock. I know for a week it seems like, or 2 weeks sometimes. So.
Months.
Yeah, so yeah, sometimes it seems like months, but you kind of get, it's like the train, you kind of get used to it, I guess, after a while. But I know this is picking it up. So let's go look at the garlic. It'll be our first crop of the year, really. All right, we're coming out of winter on these things, and they actually look pretty good, I think. This is for our first year ever growing. They got some pretty good stalks to them. Look at that one. You know I want to put one up and look at it, but I ain't going to. I think they look pretty good all the way down through there. So I think he'll be ready to harvest about June, maybe. So we still got a little ways to go. Like I said, on this side over here, I'll be putting sweet corn. Probably right in there over somewhere. Yeah, probably a little sorghum. Might put it on down, finish this row out here. Because if this does good, we'll go pretty big on garlic next year. Well, it'll be this year. You plant this in the fall here, so. Anyway, we're getting excited, man. I got spring fever. This is the warmest day of the year, I think. It's about 70. It's really nice. So we're gonna go do some other stuff. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.